Yo, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm about to go meet up with somebody. I met him about a week ago, but he's got an R6, so we're gonna link up, go for a little ride. I usually ride by myself, so I'm kind of excited. It's gonna be nice to actually be able to ride with somebody today. But yeah, it should be fun. Like I said, he's got an R6, so hopefully I don't embarrass myself too bad on the R7, because you know them R6s, they be fast now, okay? But I'm on my way right now to go and meet up with him, and yeah, we just gotta cruise around town, see what we can get up into. But yeah, so it should be fun. Let me hop on real quick, get up out my way. But anyways, so I will catch y'all in a couple of seconds for y'all, a couple of minutes for me, but I'll see y'all when I get there. Oh, so we're not quite there yet. About to be. I'm gonna be meeting him up at this gas station right up here. But nice little road right here. Got some little twisties. I have no clue where we're gonna be riding at today. I'm really just gonna be following him. Hell, really don't know where he plans on going, so I'm just tagging along for the ride. Oh, it's always nice finding some little roads like this. It's got some nice little turns in it. Nothing too crazy. Oh, you gotta love it. Let's see if he's already up here. I'm gonna go ahead and top off on some gas too. I ain't gonna worry about it later. Oh, it feels really good outside today. It's a little cloudy though. I don't see him just quite yet. Go ahead and get some gas while I'm waiting. What up, bro? How you doing, man?
Chilling, bro.
Hell yeah.
Bike looking good, man.
Appreciate it, man. I'm still waiting on my fender eliminator to come in, and then I got a. You said what?
Which one you went with?
I forgot the actual brand on it.
Was it the NRC and New Ray Cycle?
Yeah. New Ray Cycles.
You got the, like this one. I got a New Ray Cycle. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. With it tucked up under there, yeah. I'm waiting on that to come in. My black windshield. I got some the flush mount turn signals coming in.
But they do got this.
Yeah, them ugly things sticking out the side, man.
Hey, bro, I like the R7, bro. I
Yeah.
seen you on YouTube.
Oh yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm enjoying it, man. After I get all that in, I'm gonna get me a full exhaust system and go get it tuned, and then
I gotta do the same.
it be real fun then.
I just rode my bike to Texas.
Oh yeah, for real?
Yeah, I came back Sunday.
Hell yeah. Nice little R6.
You ever been up 25?
Not around here?
It's in Leeds.
Oh hell, I don't care where we go. That's what I need to get. Some boots. I'm in my Let's see where we're going. It's about to be fun. I think he said we're going up somewhere toward Leeds. I know y'all might not know where that is. Hell, I really don't even know where that is. Like I said, I'm just along for the ride. It's a little toasty in this jacket, man. Light after light. Come on now. We're gonna catch every light, man. I said we're gonna catch every light. I said we gotta catch every damn light.
Oh yeah. Ain't gonna lie. I don't like stopping behind cars that like usually I go to the front. It just be sketchy, bro.
Yeah.
Like you driving crazy, bro. Is this your first street bike?
My third.
Third.
My first one was a little Ninja 250. I got that when I was like 15. And then about 3 years ago, I had a Triumph Daytona 675.
Oh, they hard.
I like that. It was a fun bike.
Yeah.
This R6 about to take off on me. I'm gonna try to keep up as best as I can. Bit clean, man. I kind of like that orange, and I'm not even a fan of orange. Good, it feels good. See what this thing got. Man, I'm hoping we go somewhere that's got a little bit of turns, a little bit of curves.
Get some turns. Get some turns up here that get really deep.
I'm gonna take it easy. Yeah, I'm not going wide open in there. I got you. He done brought us to some twisties, man. This is what I've been waiting for. It's fun on the interstate, getting to go fast, but the twisties are where it's at. They said these turns get a little bad though, so I'm not trying to wreck the bike, so I'm gonna take it easy. He said we're going up a mountain, nice little place to take a picture, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that turn. Oh yeah, this is what I like. Nice little back road. I'm telling you, that R6, I didn't think they were that quick, but I mean, I've never been on one, but that thing is quick. I definitely can't keep up on the interstate. On the interstate, that R6 smokes this R7, and I'm being honest about that. Oh, railroad. Telling us to slow down or something. Oh yeah, this is a nice road right here. Oh yeah, that's a turn right there. I'm not hitting that fast. No way. It's definitely fun though. This is a nice road to come and practice. Oh yeah, I'll take this one easy right here. Oh God, that's a deep turn right there for real. These are some nice little turns. Yeah, I ain't risking it. Once I get better, I'll probably be able to go through here pretty fast, but yeah, these are some steep turns right here. Take it nice and easy. I'm glad a car wasn't coming right there. Oh, but I think that's it right there. I'm gonna get a good picture right up here. But anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.